All right guys, just another quick video. I'll be replacing my tail lights on the Bobcat. This one's pretty good. This one's missing the whole light and it's a little beat up, so all right, so this is pretty simple. Just take off your bulbs. This one's already broke, so yeah, and this just pops forward with a little bit of help. All right, now you got your new tail lights. Put it in there pretty even, just start working it in. Should just pop right in. After you have them in, just hook your bulbs back up. And there you go.